So I got a Consew P1206RB-1. It's an economical walking foot machine. It has the large bobbin. Threading it is very simple. That's already, we just take the bobbin, get it into like a P shape, and then you're gonna put it in, and then you're gonna pass it through the little loop and hook it. And then you're gonna just insert it back in. Make sure it clicks. Then here's the threading. It's a simple threading of the machine. Is I already threaded it for time, so I just go around 3 times here. I go through this little hoop here. It's just like a stationary guide, and I go through the bottom. Then just take it, go around the here, and make sure that it's under the take up, and then it's under this guide, and then you're there. And then what we're gonna do is gonna bring the needle down, and we're gonna pick up our thread. Once we pick up our thread, I take a scissor or not, whatever you want to do, and then I'm gonna start sewing with vinyl, so you can see that this is a very versatile machine. Bring your foot down, you still have your knee lifter that you can guide it. And then once you start, go a couple of times by hand, and it sews this vinyl really good. It gives you a nice long stitch. It's got a little climbing ability, and it's got the reverse. So then we can switch to a different material. And I got some umbrella for a lot of you canvas guys that do. So I'm gonna fold it twice. So that's 4 layers. Lift up my presser foot. Make sure I'm holding both my threads in place. I go a couple of times, reverse, and it sews this material just perfect. And then we can go to a different material, which is a harder material to sew. It's a sling fabric. So it's the same thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fold it once, and I can sew here. So when I start, I go in, and then I go reverse a little bit. That gives you the lock stitch, or a tack, back tack. You can tack it here again when you finish your stitch. And then I'm gonna come around here and I'm gonna double it. So again, that's gonna be 4 layers. And you see how easy this machine is sewing. Then it has an oil pan, so it gives you good lubrication, and very simple machine. We have them in stock for sale. Stitch length was on 8, so if you want to go a little longer, you go here. Sometimes you should push the lever down to be able to turn the stitch. There's a 9, which gives you a very nice stitch. You could look at the specifications on the about this video to see what stitch lengths it sews. And I got it slow speed right now, but if you want it, you can make it go faster, and the machine handles it. DH Sewing Machine. Our phone number is 305-759-9775, and we're in Miami, Florida.